Welcome to my YouTube. Please subscribe, like, share.
Question: what is a primary way journaling can improve my mental well-being? Tension, healing, isolation, or stress? The answer is healing.
Hey everybody, I'm Jai and welcome in. Today we are simply going to be writing in our journal.
Today we will be journaling in detail, so please make sure you have your pen and paper. Question and answer: how did this week shape your growth? Write 3 words that embody both your successes and your struggles.
Welcome to my YouTube. Please subscribe, like, share.
Take a moment. Do you think writing will help you? Yes or no? Question: how can journaling influence my self-acceptance? Criticism, comparison, empowerment, or self-doubt? The answer is empowerment.
One of the reasons that I like to write in a journal is because sometimes I have a lot to say and I feel like don't nobody understand me, and that's just my truth.
Did you know? Journaling helps process and articulate emotions, giving you a safe outlet for feelings and promoting emotional clarity. 40% of Americans report feeling lonely, with many stating no one to talk to. Mindfulness, reflection, and clarity. Question: what role does journaling play in processing my thoughts and feelings? Neglect, chaos, order, or self-doubt? The answer: order. Question and answer: what habits do I have that seek validation from others? And how can I change them?
But the biggest one that everybody needs to know is that journaling helps you with emotional control.
Question: how can journaling help me cultivate self-love and acceptance? Comparison, doubt, affirmation, or critique? The answer: affirmation. Looking to transform your mindset with journaling and meditation? Here's a candle to support you. Don't miss the soothing ambience it offers. Click the link to shop for your candle and watch this YouTube video to get started.
So for a lot of people that have like anger issues, or a lot of people that felt unheard as a child, or even for a lot of adults that still feel unheard, because let's be honest, not only is it women out there that can't say what they want to say, it's men out there that can't say what they want to say.
5 reasons you can't actually say what you want to say. Social norms, fear conflict, consequences risk, the wrong timing, and there are sensitive topics out there. Here are 5 ways journaling allows you to really express yourself. Private expression: you can process feelings, clarify your own thoughts. It enhances your awareness and it builds your confidence. How expressing whatever you want to say can be unhealthy. It can hurt feelings. Unfiltered words can harm emotions. Relationship strain. Blunt comments can cause conflicts. And you could also get a negative reputation.
Like, I know that we say we all have a freedom of speech, but the truth is that you can't really say what you want to say, because that's not That's not right. And on top of that, it's not healthy.
What is the impact of journaling on my ability to navigate life's challenges? A, helplessness. B, avoidance. Could it be C, strength? Or D, confusion? The answer is C, strength. Do you truly understand yourself most days? Or are you still changing and growing daily?
I have learned from personal experience that through journaling, it has saved me, and hopefully it can save you too. So if you like this video, there are more.
Here's your first journal writing prompt. What does my idea future look like? And what steps can I take today to move closer to that vision? Here is the next prompt. What is one challenge I'm currently facing, and how can I turn it into a growth opportunity for the future? Here's your last prompt. What skills or hobbies do I want to develop, and how will they enrich my life? Thanks for listening. Please subscribe and share with